Well, we actually started 3 years ago in that tiny stand there, and we're now the headline sponsor and the biggest stand in the room. Square footage, the biggest stand. We always think that we're growing each year and our product's getting better each year. And I think that this year we're having larger customers come to us for trial and demo. This year's stand is the first stand in any expo that I have not had control over. So I delegated this to our founder's associate, which terrified me. And when I turned up on the first day, I was amazed. It's great. And I actually said to you off camera beforehand that we're going to use you for every show going forward because we're really impressed. It's been brilliant. It's bright, it's bold, it's exactly what we wanted it to do. It gives a message about what we do very clearly. It's great. So yeah, we're really happy with it. The whole process from design to implementation was really, really smooth. Well, this was our first time we've ever not been in a shell scheme where it's been a sort of a box shape with a logo on the back wall. So to be honest with you, we didn't really know what to expect. We asked you to design something for us and you guys came up with this, which we're really pleased with. So we gave you a lot of artistic license on the stand and it worked out well. I think as a business owner, you're always looking at costs that you don't need to incur, right? So if we know that it's going to be stored away and we can use it again next year, great. This is exactly what we want. We've signed up, we've already signed the contract, we're here next year. I'll be standing in front of this thing next year, unless I get hit by a bus, God willing that doesn't happen. But yeah, I will be here this time next year with this stand. It's been great. Oh yeah, it was great. Like, it takes all the worry out of it. Normally it's one of us doing it over the last couple of years, so as we've grown, it just doesn't become feasible to us to do it. So we needed the professionals who've done a great job. It's brilliant. It was a really smooth process from the first email reaching out to you to standing in front of it now is stress-free.